In 2025, both crypto and stocks remain hot topics, especially for new investors. People want to know, where should I put my money right now? After years of market ups and downs, inflation fears, and tech-driven changes, choosing the right investment path has become more important than ever. Stocks have been the traditional go-to for long-term growth, while crypto offers the possibility of massive short-term gains and losses. But it's not just about picking a winner. It's about understanding risk, time horizons, and what fits your goals. So in this video, we'll break down both markets, how they work, the pros and cons of each, and what's performing better right now. By the end, you'll have a clear sense of which one suits your situation best and how you can start investing smartly today without gambling away your money. The stock market has been around for over a century, building wealth over time. Investing in stocks means owning a piece of real companies like Apple, Tesla, or Amazon. Stocks offer dividends, long-term appreciation, and compounding returns. In 2025, tech stocks and energy sectors are rebounding, with AI companies gaining attention. Stocks aren't risk-free and can dip during recessions, but they're more stable than crypto. You have more data, regulations, and historical performance to guide your decisions. ETFs allow you to spread risk across multiple companies. For a solid, long-term wealth-building strategy, stocks are a great foundation. Invest consistently and stay patient for the best results. In 2025, what's the better investment, crypto or stocks? If you're after steady, long-term growth with less stress, stocks are still the smarter choice. With interest rates stabilizing and the economy recovering, the S&P 500 is expected to perform steadily. Sectors like AI, healthcare, and green energy are particularly promising. On the flip side, if you're willing to take on risk and want to ride short-term trends, crypto might offer big rewards. Bitcoin halving events and Ethereum upgrades are driving renewed momentum. However, crypto still faces regulatory risks and unpredictable swings. For most people, the best strategy is to do both. Build a strong base with stocks and add a small portion of crypto for growth potential. That way, you get stability plus upside. Diversification protects you from being all in on one uncertain outcome, and that's smart investing. Cryptocurrency: high risk, high reward. Imagine the thrill of massive gains, but brace for serious risk. In crypto, you're not buying a company. You're buying into decentralized tech like Bitcoin or Ethereum. Some coins aim to disrupt finance, art, and gaming, while others lack clear purpose. The upside? Crypto has minted millionaires quickly, especially during bull runs. In 2025, Bitcoin has surged past 60,000, attracting institutional investors back to the market. Ethereum is booming, driven by NFT and DeFi adoption. But beware! Extreme volatility means prices can swing 10 to 20% in a single day. Regulatory uncertainty remains a major hurdle in many countries. Scams and rug pulls are still a threat. If you're investing in crypto, use trusted platforms and only invest what you can afford to lose. Always secure your assets in a proper wallet. Crypto is thrilling, but it's not for the faint of heart. In 2025, the smartest investment strategy is all about balance. Don't just dive into crypto or stocks alone. Use stocks for steady, long-term growth, especially with index funds or blue-chip companies. Consider allocating a smaller portion, say 5% to 10%, into major cryptocurrencies if you're aware of the risks. Rely on trusted platforms like Robinhood, Coinbase, or Binance, and keep yourself informed. Always conduct your own research, steer clear of the hype, and invest based on your personal goals, not emotions. Remember, time in the market is more valuable than trying to time the market. Whether it's stocks or crypto, consistency is your best friend. Set a monthly investment amount, automate your contributions, and review your portfolio every quarter. With discipline and knowledge, you can leverage both asset classes to grow your wealth safely and smartly. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more real money advice.